The Pink Line is an 11.2 miles rapid transit line in Chicago, run by the Chicago Transit Authority as part of the Chicago L system. It is the CTA's newest rail line and began operation for a 180-day trial period on June 25, 2006, running between 54th/Cermak Station in Cicero, Illinois and the Loop in downtown Chicago. The route, as the line is about to enter downtown Chicago, shares tracks with Green Line trains on Lake Street. This connection is handled by the previously non-revenue Paulina connector set of tracks. On the Pink Line, what was once the Blue Line's Cermak branch begins at 54th Avenue and Cermak Road in Cicero. The line runs on a grade tracks parallel to Cermak Road from the terminal to about a quarter mile east of Cicero Avenue, then diagonals northeast until it reaches a quarter parallel and adjacent to 21st Street at Costner Avenue. It then continues east between 21st Street and Cullerton Street, climbing up from at grade tracks to elevated tracks, through the North Lawndale, Little Village and Pilsen neighborhoods of Chicago, with stops at Costner, Pulaski, Central Park, Kedzie, California, Western, and Dahmen. The line turns north near Paulina Street stopping at 18th and Polk stations, then crosses over the Eisenhower Expressway. Here, a two-track non-revenue branch diverges that descends to the expressway to provide a non-revenue track connection to the Blue Line. It continues on the Paulina connector to share tracks with the Green Line on Lake Street with stops at Ashland, Morgan, and Clinton, before operating around the loop clockwise. The Pink Line is operated with the Bombardier-built 5000 series railcars. Trains operate using 4 cars on weekdays and weekends. Frequently, the Pink and Green Lines borrow each other's cars when either line is short on cars. Also, since September 17, 2018, 2 car sets assigned to the Pink Line make weekday rush hour trips on the Blue Line. At the time of their reintroduction, all Pink Line consists using 5000 series cars were 6 cars long. As of mid-August 2012, the Pink Line was using the 5000 series cars in 4 and 6 car consists, and with the successful testing of the Pink Line 5000 series cars in 4 car consists during August, the Pink Line reverted to running 4 cars during most times of the day. The last 2600 series cars were removed from service from the Pink Line on June 8, 2012, making the Pink Line the first line to be fully equipped with the 5000 series cars. Most of the Pink Line's 2600 series cars were reassigned to the Blue Line to replace its 2200 series cars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.